What if I told you almost everyone around you is lying to themselves about being productive? And the reason is not laziness, it's something much deeper. In fact, 99% of people struggle to focus every single day, and it's not their fault. Our brains are being hijacked by tiny bursts of pleasure, so subtle, yet so powerful. You scroll, you check notifications, you multitask, thinking you're doing more. But here's the truth. Multitasking doesn't work. Science proves it fragments your attention and drains your willpower. But why is focus so rare? It starts with how our brains are wired for distraction. Dopamine, the chemical of desire, rewards you for instant gratification, like checking your phone. Every ping, every like, every tiny notification triggers a small dopamine hit, and your brain learns to crave it. This creates what experts call a distraction loop, and you're stuck in it without realizing. Here's where it gets worse. Modern technology is designed to keep you distracted. Apps, social media, endless tabs, they're all built to hijack your attention. Even your brain can't resist. Studies show it takes an average of 23 minutes to refocus after an interruption. Multiply that by dozens of daily interruptions, and you see why focus becomes impossible. I remember sitting down to work on a project. 10 minutes later, I was watching random videos online. I thought, I'll just check one thing, but 2 hours disappeared. This isn't laziness, it's attention theft, and it's happening to all of us. So how do the 1% who can focus do it? First, they understand the rules of the mind, and they manipulate their environment to win. Focus isn't about willpower. It's about designing your brain's path of least resistance. Step 1. Remove distractions before they even appear. Step 2. Create time blocks where you can work uninterrupted, even for 25 to 50 minutes. Step 3. Feed your brain dopamine in the right way, through progress, not notifications. Every small achievement triggers a natural dopamine hit without distracting your attention. Step 4. Learn to embrace boredom. Your brain needs it to focus. Constant stimulation weakens your attention span. Boredom is the training ground for focus. But here's the catch. It's not enough to just know this, you have to practice it. Even 10 minutes of deep work a day can rewire your brain for attention. Focus is a muscle. Like any muscle, it gets stronger the more you train it. And once you train it, you gain control over your time, your productivity, and even your happiness. The 99% who fail, they chase every little distraction, never realizing they're giving their power away. The 1% who succeed, they control their environment, control their mind, and protect their focus at all costs. Here's the most important truth. Focus isn't a talent, it's a choice. Every day, you choose where your attention goes, consciously or unconsciously. And your life is shaped by those choices, second by second. So, starting today, take control. Turn off distractions, schedule your deep work, and train your focus. Because focus is the superpower that separates the successful from the rest. And it's available to anyone willing to claim it. Ask yourself this: are you part of the 99%? Or are you ready to join the 1% who truly control your mind?